happy Thursday. I hope you guys had so much fun on our Zoom meeting yesterday, sharing your stories. If you were not able to join us for our Zoom meeting and you didn't get a chance to say your story, guess what? You guys could record your story, have mommy and daddy record you, and they could send it to me or Miss Kira, and we will watch it. And we could post it up on our blog too, so your friends could watch you as well. Okay? We'll give mommy or daddy more details about that, but we're going to review our letter of the week. And what letter of the week is it? It's W. And this is how we do the letter W. And do you guys know if the letter W is a vowel or a consonant? What do you think? Let's sing the song, the beginning of the song. W is a letter in the alphabet, but it is a consonant. W is a consonant, a letter in the alphabet. Okay? And we know that W says what? All right. Today we're going to talk about the ocean, and we're going to talk about like some fun facts about the ocean. Okay? So what planet do we live in, guys? Do you guys remember? We live on planet Earth, right? So planet Earth is made of two things. Land, where we live on land, and water. Okay? So did you know that Earth is made up of more water than land? More than half the Earth is made up of water. Pretty cool, huh? And not only that, there is more living creatures in the ocean than there is in land. I did not know that, guys. I just found that out. But I thought it was pretty cool, and I wanted to share with you. Okay? The next thing we're going to talk about is a sea turtle. Okay? So, sea turtles are pretty cool. I was reading about them, and I think they're awesome. So, sea turtles eat seagrass, which is pretty much grass, but grass that you could find in the sea. So they eat seagrass, and guess what else they think it's delicious? Jellyfish. They love to eat jellyfish. Isn't that so cool? I did not know sea turtles ate jellyfish. Did you? Okay. They are so heavy, guys. So if you guys see a sea turtle and you try to carry it, you won't be able to. They're so heavy. They weigh more than you and I combined. They're pretty heavy animals, and they weigh up to 300 plus pounds. And not only that, they get to live a very, very long time. They live up to 100 years old. Can you believe that? 100 years old. Okay? And then another fun fact that I thought was so cool they could do. They could hold their breath underwater for 5 hours. Can you guys try to hold your breath for 5 hours? Oh, I can't. I give up. It's so hard. You cannot. It's impossible for us humans to breathe underwater for 5 hours. But sea turtles can, and that's pretty cool. And then lastly, do you guys think that the shell is hard or is it soft? It is hard. Do you guys know why it's hard? It's hard because if somebody's trying to hurt the turtle, it's going to be hard for them to attack him because his home is made of, it's really strong. So it's going to be hard for them to break it. Okay? So these are some fun facts about the sea turtle. And then I read about the sharks. And sharks are pretty cool. They have been on Earth for over 400 million years. That's a lot of years, friends. That's even before mommy and daddy were born, or your grandma and grandpa. They were still here. They've been here for a very, very long time. And a great cool fact about sharks is that they have many rows of teeth in their mouth. They have plenty. So if you look at your teeth, you only have one row of teeth. Well, the sharks have many rows of teeth on the bottom and the top, and they're sharp and red. You know why they have sharp teeth? So they could catch their food. Okay? So then another cool fun fact about sharks is, so if you see your hand or anything and you guys could touch your arm and you could feel something hard, and that is your bone. Sharks do not have bones. They have this other thing called cartilage. That is kind of like a bone, but it's not as hard as their bones. So if you touch your arm, you can feel your bone, and it's pretty hard. So sharks do not have that. All right. Then we're talking about our friend the octopus. And cool facts about the octopus is that they have 8 arms and legs. Okay, so on their picture, it doesn't show it has 8 arms or legs, but it has. In real life, octopus have 8 arms and legs, and they are able to squeeze their way into small spaces. And you know why? Because they also don't have bones. Isn't that cool? They don't have bones like you and I. And if they get hurt, they bleed. But you know when you get hurt, what color is your blood? Red, right? Did you know that when octopus bleed, their blood is blue? I had no idea their blood was blue. I thought that was pretty cool too. And then they could squirt ink, black ink. Do you guys know why they squirt black ink? So they could run away and hide from their enemies. So if somebody's trying to attack the octopus, they squirt the black ink and it blinds their enemy, and then they can't get away. Okay? So those are all the fun facts that I have about octopus that I thought were pretty cool and I wanted to share with you guys. Now, in your packet, you're going to pull out this worksheet, and it says ocean at the top, and then it says trace the ocean fish, then draw your own fish. Okay, so go grab a pencil, a marker, and we're going to do this together. And we're going to start off by tracing our ocean fish, like the directions told us. And I'm going to use a orange color marker because I want my fish to be orange. So we're going to trace. Okay, and tracing means we're going to follow the dotted black lines. Okay, and this is going to help you guys practice holding your pencil the right way, because if you hold your pencil the right way, you're going to have a strong grip and you're going to be able to follow along the lines. This also helps you with your hand-eye coordination. Okay, so we're going to trace, and did you know that tracing helps you with writing later on when you start writing words? Isn't that cool? So did you know that I write my words? I know how to write my words because I practice tracing. So if you say it's too hard, I can't do it, it is going to be hard. But if you keep practicing and doing it, you're going to get better and it's not going to be as hard. Okay, so I'm tracing my circles now for the bubbles, the water bubbles, and for the ice. Okay, later on you guys could color it in and fill it in, but I traced it with my colored crayons. Now I'm gonna get a black marker because then it says trace the ocean fish, and we already did that. So now it says then draw your own fish. Okay, so you guys are gonna try, okay? Try your best to draw this fish on this side. Do you guys think you could do that? I think you guys can. You guys are pretty good at drawing. I've seen you guys draw. So we're gonna do this together, and we're gonna start with his body. What shape is his body? What shape does it look like? It kind of looks like a circle, but at the end it has a point. Okay, so we're gonna try right here, and we're gonna do like a circle. We're gonna start off with a circle and end it with a pointer. Look at that. Okay, so then now we're gonna add its tail. What shape is his tail, guys? It looks like a triangle. So now we're gonna add our triangle at the end of our pointy body. And I'm going a little outside the line, and that's okay. Okay, so now we have his body and his tail. Now we could do his eye, and it has a small circle and a big circle around. So let's start with the small circle. Right there. Okay, now we're gonna do a bigger circle around it. Just like so. Okay, now we're gonna do our scales, the fish scales. And they look like, what letter does that look like? They look like U's and V's. This could be like a W. Okay, so that's a great way. We could practice writing our W's. Look at that, scales. Look at that, we practice writing our W. And they're also scales. And then the last thing, friends, what is the last thing we do? We do our water bubbles. And how many did we have? Let's count. 1, 2, 3. So I did 1. Are they all the same size? No, they're different sizes. So it's smaller, then a little bigger, and then a bigger. So I did a small one right there. And I'm going to do a bigger circle, and then a much bigger circle at the top. And just like that, we just drew our ocean fish. Okay, now you guys could color your fish. You could draw some seaweed. What else would you find in the ocean? Maybe some seashells or some coral. Okay, maybe some buried treasure under the sea. Okay, feel free to add different stuff on your picture. Color it in. You could name your fish. And lastly, do not forget to write your name, okay? So we know that you did this. If Daddy gets home and he sees it on the table, do you think he's gonna know it's yours? No, because it doesn't have your name. So make sure you write your name, so that way they could see what a great job you did. And I wrote my name. All right, guys, that's it for today. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.